If maths has ever made you feel stressed, lost, or just like it doesn't click, this channel is for you. I am Renette Raymond, a secondary maths teacher, and I've spent years helping students go from I don't get it to I've got this. Here, I'll show you simple ways to break down GCSE maths so every topic finally makes sense. Every week, I'll drop short, easy to follow videos, quick tips, step by step lessons, fun challenges. Whether you're revising for GCSEs or you're just trying to boost your maths confidence, you're in the right place. And this isn't about watching, it's about joining. Comment your answers, take part in weekly challenges, and show me how you maths it up because maths get easier when we do it together. So hit subscribe, turn on your notifications, and let's make GCSE maths make sense together. I am Teacher Ren, and this is Maths It Up.